Hello friends, now here is a step-by-step simplification of this maths problem by using BODMAS rule, which dictates the correct order of operation. First we saw bracket, small bracket, then curly bracket, then square bracket. O stand for obvious converting to multiplication, we solve roots and exponent. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Now according to this BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. First step we solve the brackets B and root O. So now simplify inside the brackets, which is root 49 is equals to 7 and 7 minus 3 will get 4. According to this step, BODMAS says brackets have the highest priority in BODMAS. Inside the bracket, the square order comes before subtraction, and now the current expression become 48 divided by 6 plus 4 and then multiply by 5. Move to next step, which is division. Now divide the 48 divided by 6, which is 8. According to this step, division has the highest priority, then the addition and multiplication. And now the current expression becomes 8 plus 4 multiplied by 5. Move to next step, multiplication. Now multiply the digit, which is 4 multiplied by 5. Now 4 multiply 5 gives you 20. According to this step, multiplication come before addition in the hierarchy. Now the current expression become 8 plus 20. Move to next and last step, addition. So now add the values. 8 plus 20 is 28. This is the last remaining operation and this is the final result. So now according to this expression, following the strict order of operations prevent calculations error by resolving the brackets, performing the division, multiplying and adding it sequence. The definite answer of this expression is 28, and I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye bye.